guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to be unboxing a Hot Wheels Case E, and I'm really excited to get into this. There's some really awesome cars coming. I don't remember what the actual set is for this one, like the set list of cars, but I'm really excited to bust them open, and I know what the treasure hunt is, and I really hope I get it because it's such a cool car. Before we get started, I do want to say I'm doing a giveaway on my merch store, shopmtparadise.com. I'm giving away this Mattel Brick Shop custom 90 Honda Civic EF. Giving this away to one of you guys. All you have to do is hop onto my website, shopmtparadise.com. There's going to be a rules tab. You guys can see how to get entered into this giveaway. But I think this thing's super awesome. If you guys do want to get entered into that, definitely go check it out, shopmtparadise.com. But let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and cut this thing open, and then we're going to lay it outside. There is a few little dings on this box, so hopefully it's not too damaged. There's like a little ding right here, and I think there's like another, yeah, kind of like right through here. There's like, it looks like something like hit right on top. So hopefully there's no damage inside, but let's lay this outside carefully and go ahead and start pulling these out of here and seeing what we got. Oh, that's cool. So the first car to pull out is the Simpsons family car. This thing is really cool. And then we have the Twin Dorado and the Hodo Rodo, however you say that. Next up, ooh, that's a, oh, okay, we got some cool cars. We got the 64 Impala, the Cruiser Bruiser, and the 96 Porsche Carrera. Man, already starting off this case strong. Ooh, okay. There's a El Segundo Coupe, a Mazda RX-3 in a cool new color, and a supercharged. Oh, that is awesome. Actually, a couple really cool cars here. We have the Hako Type D, which is kind of like a fantasy car, but JDM style. We got a time shifter, and I think that thing looks super cool. But we have a new tuned version of the Mazda RX-3. This thing is also the Mad Mike. So I think this thing looks so cool with that kind of red base, a blue top, and all that. Yeah, that one's cool. All right. Ooh, wow. Okay, that's a nice pull as well. This is like a really cool case. 68 Dodge Dart in a cool new color. 64 Dodge 330. I don't think we've seen that one before. Maybe it's like been a while, because that to me does not look familiar. It has like an old school Hot Wheels text there on the side, which I like. And then the 2016 Cadillac ATS VR. Oh, this one's kind of snagged or pulled another car out, but all right, we have the Renault Space F1, or E-Space F1, the Coupe Clip, which is the little keychain car, and a birthday burner. And then I did pull, or snagged and pulled one of these cars out, so let's just grab the other two. Alright, another Cadillac ATS VR, El Segundo Coupe, and Twin Dorado. Alright, getting some duplicates now. Oh, that's cool. Alright, so we got the long block in a cool new, it's like the Go With Moon, got the moon eyes decals and stuff on it. A Cruise Bruiser and a Passin Gasser. All right, ooh, that one's nice. We have the custom, I don't even know how to even say that name. It's like Personalici 66 Tornado? I don't even know, but there's the name right there. 70 Chevelle SS Wagon. That thing looks super cool. And then another Coupe Clip. Man, that wagon looks really awesome. This case definitely has some awesome cars in it. Oh, that is cool, and the package is a little damaged, but still. You have a 2019 Audi R8 Spider, then a pedal driver, and a 1985 Honda CXR. Or CRX. Wow. Just looks like... Alright. Oh, okay, so we have a Volkswagen ID Buzz Bomb, 64 Impala, and a voltage spike. last three for the first half of the case. Whoa, that is cool. It is a Corvette C7 Z06 with, it's all pink and has like some pretty cool decals and stuff on it. That thing is actually really awesome. Wow, that's pretty cool. And then another Hotwheels and a X acceleration. All right, let's pull the little divider out so we can get to the bottom. We still have not seen the regular treasure hunt or the super. So let's see. Hopefully we'll get it, or hopefully we'll get both. Let's see here. Oh, that is cool. We got some like really awesome cars in this pull. We got the Liberty Walk Lamborghini Huracan Coupe in black. The Eggshell Racer, that's kind of an interesting car. I don't know how I feel about that. It's pretty interesting, but kind of cool. Then the Maserati Tipo 61. That thing is so cool. Man, that looks awesome. I can't wait to like check these all out afterwards. Might actually, maybe if there's some damaged ones, I might keep them for myself. We'll see. If you guys do want to pick up any of these, it will be on my merch store, shopemptyparadise.com. So definitely want to throw that out there real quick. We have the Toyota Prius Custom, Ferrari 12 Cylindry, and the, I don't know what is going on with these names. Oh, it's like, it's in a different language. Some of these are, like, I do receive some cases that are international. So the names, this is a 2020 Honda E, but it also kind of has like a over elaborate name on there. But I do have more of these cases coming, so if you guys do hop on my merch store and you don't see certain things, I do have a lot more coming. So a lot of times I will have more in stock. I have another Pass and Gasser, a 66 Tornado, and 85 Honda City Turbo 2. It's been a while since we've seen the Honda City Turbo cars. I think, man, I'm trying to remember the last time, maybe like a few years now. Oh, heck yeah. So we have a 2019 Audi R8 Spider. Well, we have the cone shaker, and that's not just a regular cone shaker. That is the treasure hunt. You guys can see the little logo right there behind the window. And then let me see if I can, there we go. You guys can see the little treasure hunt logo right there behind the car on the card in silver. Man, that thing looks so cool. I don't know, like the cone shaker to me is like really awesome, but I think that looks super awesome, the neon yellow. Then we also have the Polestar TRX. Let me actually set that aside. All right. Let's see what else we got here. Whoa, that one's nice. A nice orange 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7. A K-swap. And a Erkenstein rod. Ooh, that's a nice pull as well. We have a 2023 Nissan Z, a Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, and a Feline Lucky. Oh, and we did not get the Super. But the regular version is still pretty cool, but it is this 1987 Ford Sierra Cosworth in pink. I saw some pictures of the Super, and the pink is like super nice and vibrant and looks so good. But this still looks pretty nice, kind of like a nice pale pink. We also have another custom 2020 Honda E and another X acceleration. And let's see what else, because we still have some more cars left in the case, so I'm curious to see what else is in here. Now we have another Honda CRX, a Renault E-Space F1, another Hako Type D. All right, ooh, that's cool. There's a Rapid Pulse, a supercharged, but we have a really cool recolor on the 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster. It's like a nice kind of deep green. I think it looks so good. Wow, I'm like really biased because I love Paganis in real life, so whenever Hot Wheels comes out with new variations of them, it is amazing. Oh, heck yeah. We got a nice pull there. We got a 96 Porsche Carrera, Volkswagen ID Buzz Bomb, and a Visa Cash App Racing Bulls Formula One car. It's obviously Formula One right there, but it's kind of like the Red Bull theme. But the white one, I think that thing looks so cool. All right, so I have a few cars left. Oh, that is a really cool pull. We have the 1966 Bat Boat, and we did see that before in blue, and now here's like a black version of it. I think that looks so cool. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, and another Mazda RX-3. Man, I love that Bat Boat. And I think this is the last 3 cars in the case. Okay, so we have another tuned Mazda RX-3, the Maserati Tipo 61, and the Eggshell Racer. So we did not get the Super, but we still got the regular treasure hunt. And I think this thing is absolutely amazing. If you guys are interested in any of these cars, I do have like multiple cases that come in, and I will be having like, for the most part, all these on my merch store. A lot of the fantasy cars I'm probably not going to have on there, but at least like all the really cool main lines I will. And if you guys do want to get entered into the giveaway for the Mattel Brick Shop Honda Civic EF, definitely go check that out. ShopMTParadise.com or link in the description down below. But if you guys did like this video and want to see more videos like this, go down, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.